Hello and welcome to the SmartPlot tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to explain splitting datasets and creating subgroups. We begin by searching for the breakout block. Once found, we drag and drop it into the pipeline and connect it to the filter standard block so the data can flow properly. At this point, let's move into the dashboard and see what happens. The breakout block allows us to split a dataset into smaller datasets based on the unique values of a categorical column. For our example, we'll select the field location column. This creates a split for each location in the dataset, so instead of one large table, we now have several subsets, one for every field location available. Next, we return to the pipeline and connect this breakout output to a scatterplot block. Back in the dashboard, the scatterplot now shows separate views for each dataset created by the breakout step. With 5 unique field locations, the block produces 5 scatterplots. This view makes it easy to compare how values differ across locations at a glance. We then return to the pipeline and examine the skip button. Enabling it bypasses the breakout step entirely. The scatterplot then receives the original dataset and displays a single combined plot. Switching this option lets you move quickly between subsets and the full dataset. After that, we create subgroups using the Create Subgroup block. This tool lets you rename and group categories for comparison. In our case, we select pedigree for both the override and visible columns. We choose 3 specific pedigrees, assign them a common subgroup name, and save. Back in the dataset, those pedigrees now appear under the new subgroup label. This makes comparative analysis easier, since you can focus on larger categories instead of tracking each individual pedigree. Finally, we return to the dashboard. With breakout splits, skip functionality, and subgroup creation, you now have complete control over how your dataset is divided and displayed. That concludes this tutorial on splitting datasets and creating subgroups in SmartPlot. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you get more from your analysis.